Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never see. Trust progress the analyst. I am here to give it to you back to back. I am here to say the way it should be, nothing but the truth. We dey raise hand for here, not before mouth, now for the way the matter be. Now a lot has been going on, but a lot of people just they overestimate things. They just underrate things so that this thing cannot work, or who is this person? Nothing they happen. But I'm telling you that a lot is going on. Do you really care to listen, and do you really want to know all the updates? That is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst. Now, see, the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, and the Senate President Akpabio, Abba, a lot they go on, of which you need to know. Now, follow up this update and make sure you watch this video to the end. Now we get an update from the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, where he said that these people, they don't start again. People, they go India, they look for Juju. That the Senate President decided that he's traveling all the way to India. Say they need voodoo when they go to repatriate the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa. They want to move him down to Nigeria. So these people, by all means, by fire, by force, they are trying very hard to make sure the thing come to pass. I don't really want to talk too much, make it not be saying they bring the matter come for where matter not dey. Let's first of all hear it from Simon Ekpa in person.
We're making. And Nigeria have understood this very well. They know where I'm going, and that's why they are restless. But I'm watching them, and they are having problem with going to India. I am telling you the fact, but I want them to go to that India because I can watch them. I was watching them, and they were having issue whether to go or not to go. But I can promise Akpabio, he will go to that India. But if he go, he should tell the Juju to build a house for him because he don't have a house. Thank you very much, everyone.
Hey, you guys have heard it from the horse's mouth, or not be me talking. Now, immediately the Biafra Prime Minister dropped this update. Come here, waiting people they talk about the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa. They say now he go when he smoke. Say now they worry him. Say if the Biafra Prime Minister don't smoke, he go finish. Say go they pass out message or information when he don't know about. Immediately, the Biafra Prime Minister say, you people are saying that I'm smoking Igbo. Okay, I will teach you how someone that smoke Igbo used to look like. Hear the message from the Biafra Prime Minister.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans. I made a video last time and of course gave the enemies the opportunity for their own propaganda. So we continue what we're doing. You know what? They say this smoke where they come out for here. Na Igbo. They say this smoke where they come out for here. Na Igbo. Say, see, look the eyes. What do you see? They say this smoke where they come out for here. Na Igbo. Na Igbo, you don't smoke finish. And Igbo, they come out smoke. My Igbo na spiritual Igbo. My own Igbo na spiritual Igbo. Now that Igbo be this. You see? That Igbo na be this. And that Igbo they knock you for social media.
Governments must also come in. And you must also stakeholder summit on security in the entirety of the Southeast region. And invite even those of us who are also affected to be there. It's not something we can gloss over. We must bring it to an end.
Solution. Serious solution, not group of hoodlums. These are group of cabals, or may I call it group that are obedient to Samuel Eba. They have their heads in every state in the southeast, and are functioning. They live in the bushes there. So I want to submit here, please. The matter should be taken more serious than is being presented in this Salon chamber. It has defied the solution of the state governors. Let the federal government intervene. I so submit.
my own brother from Ebonyi State. Ken, we read these things on a daily basis. But the primary purpose of government is to protect the lives and also cater for the welfare of citizens. In the Southeast, if this situation is allowed to linger, the welfare of the citizens are already being affected and their lives are not safe. One of my senators from my community did not know that that was the sit-at-home day. Something that is affecting only the Southeast. It's affecting the whole Nigeria. Because people go for marriages, they go for functions, and even transporters and commuters who pass through the Southeast are also in danger, because you may not know the day that Simon Ekpa has given instruction that nobody should go out. That's why we are spending time to discuss this issue. It's a very serious issue. The economy of the Southeast used to benefit the economy of the South-South, and vice versa, and the entire Nigeria. People used to travel all the way from Lagos to buy things in Onitsha, and then they themselves don't go to work. They tell their families not to go to work, and they move around, like you said, burning. Nigeria is not a banana republic. It's not something we can gloss over. We must bring it to an end.
Solution.
As we are saying this as if it's not enough, do you know that a lot of Nigerians, they are reacting to this issue that the Senate president say they not get work. Now make they fight Simon Ekpa up and down. Say whether not today, now sit at home start for the southeastern part of Nigeria. A lot of them believe that the Senate president, they don't have work. But anyways, let us hear some of the reaction from Nigerians.
Today for the House of Senate, if you like the Senate not get waiting to talk again, now they say me that discuss Simon Ekpa. All this while we sit at home, they happen for the East. Senate deaf, the blind since they know they see, they know they hear. All of a sudden now, they have decided to lend their voice to the matter. The Senate don't condemn the sit at home because that's the only thing they can do. Sit down there and say, we condemn this. They don't condemn the sit at home when they happen for East. They also decide that they are going to join hands with the federal government and work with the Finnish government, and the best way they feel on that they call them, the government of Finland, Finnish government, to extradite back Simon Ekpa, to extradite him back to Nigeria to come and answer questions for the orders of sit-at-home that he is giving.
Now, according to the Life Issues magazine news, in a shocking turn of events, Simon Ekpa has openly declared his intention regarding Nigerian Senate President Godwin Akpabio, who is currently leading a delegation to India. This trip is valid as a response to the controversial December 2nd declaration that has stirred significant debate in the country. Ekpa, known for his strong opposition to the Nigerian government, warned that he is closely watching the situation and plans to take action while Akpabio is abroad. I will be waiting for you in India, my country home. Juju get level, he stated, hinting at a potential supernatural element on his plans. His remarks hide concern about raising tension between Simon Ekpa and the Nigerian government, especially as he ominously claimed none of you will come back to Nigeria. Authorities are being urged to stay alert as the situation between Ekpa and Akpabio unfolds, with both parties seemingly on a collision course. The potential consequence of this confrontation could have significant ramifications for Nigeria's political landscape. So, my beautiful family, in a long share, this is a situation between Simon Ekpa and the Senate president. A lot of people believe that Nigeria Federation is doing this because of the forthcoming December 2nd convention that is going to be held live and direct in Finland. A lot of people were saying that the Finnish government is the one that is sponsoring Simon Ekpa to do all this. While a lot of the Biafran people believe, say, now because of this December 2nd, what they want to go and do in Finland. According to the Biafra Prime Minister, he said he is expecting from 500 to 1,000 representatives from different countries. Again, he hit on other names where he say people that are coming, they are big fish. He said they are people that will speak truth to power. He said they are people, when they speak, the government obey. So a lot of people are really looking forward to see those people mingled or in alliance with the Biafra Prime Minister or with the Biafra people. So a lot of people are even scared that maybe they might decide to do to Simon Ekpa what they did to Dr. Sho Ayoba of Abazonia. They say they are praying seriously so that nothing like arrests or questioning will not take place in Finland, just to distract or to disorganize the plan of the Biafran people come December 2nd. But a lot of people are so positive, saying that in a Western world, there is cause for development and there is freedom to do everything they want to do. And a lot of people were asking questions. Is it that Simon Ekpa in Finland is untouchable? The reason why nothing is happening to him, the reason why the Finnish government cannot call his attention to things that are happening. They say that they have sent a lot of videos, a lot of evidence to the Finnish government. Say, but still nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Now this one makes Simon Ekpa respond to the Senate president, say, Juju get level. I will be waiting for you in my homeland, India. Because according to the story, they say they believe that Simon Ekpa is from India. And now for India, they do all those Juju when they sustain them, when they make the Finnish government not if they do anything. So what is your take? A lot of people are really praying for Simon Ekpa and also praying for December 2nd, that make anything, make any distraction, make anything not happen to Simon Ekpa. Maybe they will say they are calling him for questioning, they want to interrogate him, they want to do this, that will disorganize that December 2nd. Say they don't want it to, because the type of people that are coming to Finland, or more, you go fear. The way the Biafra Prime Minister is hitting on this December 2nd, a lot of tension already. A lot of people are really scared that what could be the outcome of that December 2nd. Now they call the place cause they want close border. So we don't really know. We all are also here to keep our eyes on the ball, to watch exactly what is going to happen. So there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst for more of all these updates, so that we will follow this issue bomber to bomber, because this is a battle line. It has just been drawn between the Biafra Prime Minister and the Nigeria Senate. This one a new battle, new chapter of this battle just reopened again. If you really want to get the click and the full update, subscribe and do well to share our videos. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I always bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.